If my money is not coming back, no problem. I've been scammed. But at least your money is saved. If one of you is saved, my purpose is done. How many of you know that I'm a victim of cancer? And how many of you know I'm a survivor of cancer? Nobody, right? I'm not talking about the cancer which we normally find in human body. I'm talking about the cancer we observe in our society, which is created by human beings. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing very well. I can run, I can walk, I can do anything a normal person can do. Today I'm going to talk about the cancer which we are affected with by people, and he or she could be sitting next to you, living next to you, flying next to you, working with you, but you have no idea. But I'll give you the symptoms, how they look like, how they behave, and how they pretend. You need to observe by yourself whether you are with a safe person or not. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go on a journey. Symptoms. Why I'm telling you why I was victim, why I'm surviving still. This is a society where you find so many people. Good people are con people. Their purpose is only to look at you, what are you making from your business, from your job. And they don't want to do anything, but they want your money. Isn't it simple?
Yes.
This is how people do. They will tell you big stories. They will inspire you. They will come in a good, interesting costume, which will inspire you. You will trust them. You will love them. You will like them. You will spend time with them. You will try to make a relationship with them. They will inspire you. But you don't know the real face yet. Ladies and gentlemen, till you are dung, are stinged by these people. They will tell you stories. I will tell you my story as well. But I'm telling you in general, how it works. Curious?
Yes.
Thank you. Show some excitement. It's okay. It's fun. It's life.
Yes.
If we are still continuing our life, that means something is big going to happen. I mean it. That's what I normally tell in my speeches and share in my speeches. Ladies and gentlemen, doesn't matter. The person who is died with cancer, God bless him or her. But the person still surviving, he will create a history, or she will create a history. And you need to just keep it in mind. I know you are right now connecting with somebody who made you fool in your life. So you will connect. Just keep the name in your mind, but we need to be aware. What? Khabardar. They will come and they will tell you, we are opening a TV channel. Because not you are interested to join TV channel. They will tell you because you are in public speaking. So this is something close to you. Don't you want to become famous? Since you're learning public speaking, right? So you want famous, you can go on stage and inspire people with multiplication. This is how they use this tool. They will tell you they are opening a university. They will tell you they are retired. They will tell you they are serial entrepreneurs. You will feel, wow, man, in this age, and I'm what the hell I'm doing right now in my life. You will compare yourself, you feel like, oh, no, man, I need to meet this guy. I need to get some guidance and do something big like him. But you don't know the real story yet. Mind it. I'm coming back to you. This is how these people come. They can come in a religious format as well. The shield on their face is a religious. So you have to trust. Because this is how we are. We are emotional animals. Some people are laughing, they can connect. This is what I want you to do. Because I want to aware you from these people. We need to remove this cancer. It cannot be removed, or we cannot cure our society overnight. We need to work together. We need to see around what's going on, why these people are there, what is their planning and plotting. You would not know these people. They will not leave any mark. Mind it. They will talk to you in one-to-one. They will not keep any proof for you to claim. This is how these people are. You can be careful. You can save your life, your money, your goodwill for your better future, for your generations to come. Why did I bring this be aware topic in Toastmasters meeting and in Pakistan Association Dubai Toastmaster Club? You will be thinking why this person is using this platform. Because this platform is to share your personal stories, make people benefit out of it. That's the reason. Why I'm telling you this one, why I'm bringing such people, because these platforms, these are sensitive platforms. Toastmaster is nothing less than a school, college, university, a great platform where people are getting benefit out of it. So this platform is being used, being harmed by such people. That's the reason I'm bringing this one. You need to be careful when you are exposing yourself, sharing your stories, trusting somebody. Please be careful. You are in a sensitive department, sensitive culture, which is learning. Because when you are in that culture of learning, you become even more softer and you trust people. When you go to school, college, or such gatherings, these are very soft. So please make sure you take care of yourself. I'm pleading you, I'm requesting you. Now my mission of my life, till I'm alive, till I'm given this beautiful life by Almighty. This is my mission to always keep the red flag high. So you need to, if my money is not coming back, no problem. I've been scammed. But at least your money is saved. If one of you is saved, my purpose is done. Again, we are emotional creature, honestly speaking. So sometimes, because this happens only because of trust and blind trust. What happened to me? And you can ask question, how fool you could have been. You had given so much money without any written proof, for example, and you became the victim of this cancer. You can ask these questions, but this is what I will answer in the end. Always blind trust. That's why we have in every religious book, whatever you do, make it written. How you can avoid this? Always ask questions. When you ask questions, person will run away. When you keep listening, it will continue. One thing we can do to avoid such fraud scams. What happened to me? I did a mistake. I consider myself, I don't know, blame goes to me because I did a mistake. I gave money to somebody and hard cash money. And just to make you woo, 1.35 million dirhams. Yes. And I have no proof. Alhamdulillah. I think this is how we learn things from our life. Why I'm making it public? We need to be aware. I've seen people outside in different world. They don't give a space to other people for 1 rupee or 100 dirhams or rupees or dollars. But this is how, why I always been mentioning in my speeches, when you're still alive, still stood, still standing tall, there is big going to happen. And I'm a strong believer that whenever I do something, I do istikhara. And that can never go wrong. And I always pray to Almighty that I don't want to die a normal person. And I mean it. I have said this line many, many times. I don't want to die a normal person. Please make me a reason for people's bread and butter. I think this is where I can connect my saying with. Whenever you are encountered with such activities or such people, ask questions. Questions, proof. Tell me, what do you have? I believe you, I trust you, I love you. I love to be with you, I love to eat with you, drink with you. But show me what is that? The person will never meet you after that. There's nothing to feel sad. It's all right. We all came by walk. We can walk on our feet. That means something big is waiting for you. Please keep smiling, keep your smiles on.